Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a preset called Eternity, and it sounds like this. If you want to check the MIDI. And this MIDI has something interesting over here in the MIDI control. It changes a little bit of the pitch bend. And now if you want to listen to it in context. Really cool sound, right? And if you like it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Melodic Techno Academy Volume 2 that you can get on PML's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's initialize Serum. We're going to start here with a raw preset and it sounds like this. We already have the automation in the pitch bend, and we're just going to take the shaper box out and also the EQ8 out, and now it sounds like this. So we're going to start here first with a basic CJW, and it sounds like this. -1. We're going to change the wet position. And now it basically sounds like a saw wave. So now we're going to increase the unison. This makes the sound wider, and we're also going to pick the detune and put it a little bit down. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to pick the LFO and put it in the detune to modulate it, but we're only going to modulate it a little bit. Let's intensify just so you can listen. Can you see how it creates a little bit of change and modulation in the sound? Now we're going to pick this, put it back to something like this. And we're going to pick this rate and put it a bit down. Now that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go into the filter, and in the filter we're going to select an MG24, and now we're going to open up all the way. And you might ask me, why are we using a filter if you're opening up all the way? We're going to pick and use a lot of drive and fat. So drive and fat. This saturates the sound. The drive and the fat, they're slightly different. The drive is afterwards, the fat is normally before the filter, but they both contribute to add some saturation to the sound. Now in the effects section, we're going to start with the hyper. We're going to put this only a bit down over here, just to intensify a little bit of this detune effect. Now we're going to choose an EQ, bell, and high shelf. The bell is going to first be something like this. We barely listen to anything, but now we're going to raise it a lot over here. We're going to pick this Q and put it a bit down. This makes the effect of the EQ a lot wider in the spectrum. Now the EQ2, we're going to pick this high shelf, leave it as it is. The Q is going to also be as it is, and the gain is going to go a little bit up. Now distortion, we're going to leave a tube distortion. We're going to pick this drive and put it a bit up. And you can see how it adds more saturation to the sound, but we're going to pick this mix and put it a bit down. Almost halfway, somewhere like this. Now chorus, in the chorus, can you see how it makes the sound wider? It kind of creates like a pom pom kind of effect in the sound. We're just going to change over here the low pass. And the wet a little bit down. Now filter. We're going to use a filter over here, but we're not going to use a traditional filter. We're going to use a flange. We're going to use the flange plus. All the way down, almost all the way down. Really weird effect, right? And resonance a bit up. Now, in addition to that, the drive is also going to go a little bit up. And we're also going to modulate this with the LFO. Somewhere like this. Now we're going to pick this mix and put it a bit down. Pretty much that's it. Now we're going to go into the delay. Everything as it is, just the mix is going to go slightly down. Lastly, reverb. almost everything as it is. Now, the only thing is this wet is going to go slightly up. Now, let's add the shaper box and let's add the EQ8 and listen in context. Pretty cool sound, right? I hope you like it, and if you like that, you can get the presets and the MIDI over here in the description below. This is Lilo Ready from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Cheers!
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.